everyone, welcome back to... Today we're diving into the world of coins and exploring a classic piece of American currency, the 1989 Jefferson nickel. This coin might just be sitting in your pocket change, but have you ever wondered about its history, design, and value? Stick around because we're covering all of that and more in this video. The Jefferson nickel has been a staple of American currency since it was first introduced in 1938, replacing the Buffalo nickel. Designed by artist Felix Schlag, the coin features a bust of Thomas Jefferson, the third president of the United States, on the obverse side. The 1989 Jefferson nickel continued this tradition, remaining true to the original design that honors Jefferson and his historic residence, Monticello, which appears on the reverse. This coin serves as a tribute to both Jefferson's legacy and American history. In 1989, these nickels were produced at two primary mint facilities, the Philadelphia Mint and the Denver Mint. Coins from Philadelphia have no mint mark, while those from Denver are marked with a small D on the obverse side, just to the right of Jefferson's portrait. Now, let's talk about the technical details of the 1989 Jefferson nickel. These coins were minted in... So, how much is the 1989 Jefferson nickel worth today? Well, as a widely circulated coin, most 1989 nickels hold their face value of 5 cents. Coins that have been heavily used over the years are generally worth no more than their face value because of their high mintage and availability. But collectors and coin enthusiasts always keep an eye out for coins in better condition. If you have an uncirculated coin, meaning it shows no signs of wear and has a sharp, bright finish, its value can jump. Let's break it down. Now, these values might not seem sky high, but coins in mint condition or with unique features always have greater appeal to collectors. But wait, there's more to the story. While most 1989 Jefferson nickels are common, certain error coins can make them worth much more. Let's look at a few examples. These are coins where the design is not properly aligned with the planche. Depending on the severity, off-center nickels can sell for $20 to $50 or more. This error occurs when the coin design is struck twice, creating a doubling effect on letters or numbers. A 1989 double-die nickel could be worth $50 or more if it's dramatic enough. The 1989 Jefferson nickel might not make you rich overnight, but it's a fascinating piece. Circulation today. Whether you're a coin collector or just curious about what's in your pocket change, keep an eye out for those high-grade coins or rare errors. You never know what you might find. Before we get into the specifics of the 1989 Jefferson nickel, let's talk about the fascinating history behind this iconic coin. The Jefferson nickel was first introduced in 1938, replacing the Buffalo nickel, which had been in circulation since 1913. A German-American sculptor, Schlag's design was simple yet elegant, featuring a left-facing portrait of Thomas Jefferson on the obverse, front, and Jefferson's home, Monticello, on the reverse, back. This design not only honored one of America's founding fathers, but also highlighted his contribution to architecture and innovation. Thomas Jefferson, the third president of the United States, was known for his role in drafting the Declaration of Independence, founding the University of Virginia, and his passion for science and exploration. The reverse of the coin, Monticello, is a symbol of Jefferson's ingenuity. Located in Charlottesville, Virginia, Monticello is a neoclassical masterpiece that Jefferson designed himself. It's now recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and the university is a central anagram to his work. Communities with various degrees of security underwent some modifications to improve its detail and aesthetics. In the 1960s, subtle changes were made to sharpen the design elements, particularly Jefferson's portrait. And in 1980, the U.S. Mint added the P mint mark for coins produced in Philadelphia, a change that impacted later coins like the 1989 nickel. But what makes the Jefferson nickel series so special is that it survived through major historical events like World War II. Did you know that during the war, between 1942 and 1945, nickels were made? with 35% silver to conserve nickel metal for the war effort. These war nickels are now highly collectible. The 1989 Jefferson nickel represents over 50 years of tradition and history. By this time, the design had become a familiar staple in American pockets and purses. Millions of these coins were produced that year to meet the growing needs of the U.S. economy, making it a common but essential piece of currency. Even though the design remained consistent in 1989, the Jefferson nickel would eventually see a big redesign in 2004 and 2005 as part of the Westward Journey series, but the 1989 coin still holds a place in the hearts of collectors. As part of the classic Jefferson nickel era, a segment can be added to the script to give viewers a richer understanding of the coin's background and its place in U.S. history. Would you like to explore anything else, like specific historical anecdotes or fun facts? If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 1989 Jefferson nickel, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next video. Let me know in the comments if you've come across any cool nickels in your collection. And as always, happy collecting. But instead of Mussolin Basha, this video brought you Monticello, the famous gigantic